tree would have been good.
Yeah.
Too much of a slope.
Oh, we don't want to damage the car. Guys, it's hailing. Oh, shit. Can you see that? Oh my God. Holy shit.
Can I go that way?
Oh shit.
That's nice. I don't know if it's big enough to get it. Put it bigger. Park it maybe any different. Might help.
Look at these guys. Oh my God.
Pretty big ones.
I want to keep filming because the lighting is really cool. I can see it before.
Yeah, I'll see it. Probably not. Let me check the daylight. Let's see.
800 meters at the roundabout, second exit onto Salona Street.
And surface is in the middle. Where last night.
Who's panicking? You did.
Panicking about the hail being in the car. But it hasn't paid the insurance excess.
You did. You panicked. I panicked too. All I'm worried about is the baby.
Yeah.
The next day later.
Hey guys, so today is our last day in Gold Coast. So we're just exploring around guys para masulit yung aming stay dito. Tapos bukas we will be driving again to Brisbane. Tapos uwi na kami guys. Through the airplane. So ito na yung last day namin. So this is our last day, baby.
Yeah, last day. Gold Coast.
So guys, ito nga pala yung buhok ko. Magsalon sana ako kaso kasi sabi ni babe na isa-shutdown niya ako sa salon. Sabi niya kasi sa akin, siya daw magbabayad. Sabi ko, wag na. Ako na lang mag-color sa buhok ko kasi ano naman din, marunong din naman ako kasi nagawa ko na to dati guys kaso hindi ko siya inayos. So kagabi inayos ko siya. And so, medyo natagalan ako pero medyo effort din guys. Effort. Medyo effort din guys pero worth it naman din. Nakatulog ako mga midnight na kagabi kasi tinapos ko talaga siya. Hindi na ako nag-vlog guys kasi hindi ko alam kung ma-success o mapalpak. So, nag-focus na lang ako kagabi so hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi late na din. Yan yun siya guys. And hindi ko na siya kinakat guys kasi ayaw ni Mr. na i-cut yung hair ko kasi Sabi niya gusto daw niya ng mataas ang hair. Ooh. And so now guys, we're just going to shopping. Feel ko magsisinema din kami kasi gusto ni babe na magsinema kasi ano yan siya, addicted yun sa movie. Ayoko sanang mag-movie pero gusto niya, so samahan ko na lang siya mag-movie tapos samahan din niya ako mag-shopping kasi sabi niya sa akin, sawang-sawa na daw siya mag-shopping. Ako gusto kong mag-shopping, so yan, samahan ko siya, samahan niya ako. Yun yung gagawin namin for today.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I